Changing a surface color or material in uMake is quite easy. Simply select the surface or surfaces you would like to modify. To change the color, tap on the colored circle in the top of the interface. In the drop-down, you can modify the opacity, color, and tint of the surface. To change the material of a surface, tap on the sphere icon in the top of the interface. Next, choose from the list of materials. This will change the appearance of the surface based on the material you choose. Some materials will appear more shiny, others more matte. After changing a material, you can still change the color of the surface. However, keep in mind that depending on the material selected, the colors may appear a bit different. For example, if you choose a brass material and then change the color to blue, you will get a combination of brass with a blue hue to it. Have fun changing the color and look of your surfaces.